Okay, so creating a Loomly post, which is essentially posting to all our social media platforms at once, you'll just go to loomly.com like this. Once you get to this page, you'll come over here to the left where it has our Lily PT logo. Click that. From there, you can see these are all of our posts this month. So it shows you the date that it was posted, the caption or copy that is on it, and then the picture. So you go down, this is every day of the month. What we'll want to do is go to the top and create a new post. So once you click that, you get to this page. The option first that you're going to do, if you're following along with the paper instructions, is date and time. So if you're just posting for the day, you can just leave it how it is and it will post it today. Or if you're posting for future, so you're pre-scheduling, then you'll click here and change the date. So I'm going to pretend that I'm pre-scheduling for tomorrow. So I'll click the 22nd of January, which is tomorrow. And then I'll click this to choose the time. So I'll do 12 p.m. Under that, I leave the subject and labels blank. Those are totally optional. Continue. Here is where you select which platforms you want to post this post to. So my normals are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Continue. Once you get to this page, this is where you upload the picture you're going to be posting or the video you're going to be posting. So let's start with pretending that I'm going to post a picture, and I have this picture of Lily right here. So all I'm going to say is upload file. And this drop down will come and I can click desktop right here where the picture of Lily is, click it and press choose. It will load and then it shows you that this is the picture I'm posting. From there, you'll scroll down and press continue. But just in case, I'm also going to show how to upload a video. So if you want to do a video, you'll do the video upload file. Click here. And the video, just have it in your desktop and it will just be done the exact same way where you just click. Let's see, let me go to one so that it's clear. So desktop, I have Lily PT videos. So let's say I want to post medical fitness. So I'll say choose. Medical fitness cannot be chosen because it's actually way too long of a video. So let me choose a different one. This should be good. So now as you can see, the video is being uploaded here. So we'll wait on that. I'm going to re-upload the picture of Lily again one more time because that's actually the one we're going to practice on today. Obviously the pictures upload a lot faster than the videos do. Just give me 1 second while this uploads. But yeah, you'll want to just, if you're going to upload a video, you'll want to do it in the video section. If you're doing images, you'll want to upload file in an image section, which is kind of obvious. Okay, 1 second. Let me just wait for this to upload so I can exit out. That's taking a long time. And then up here, while we're waiting, I can explain. Up here is just each step you've done so far. So if you ever want to go back, you can totally go back and change anything. Just after you change it, make sure you press continue afterwards. And then just waiting on this. I might even, here we go. Okay. So then I'm just going to remove that because even though it took that long, because we want to practice with the picture. So continue. So here we have what it's all going to look like. So this is the Facebook. So you can see up here, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, those are the 3 platforms I chose. So right now we're working on the Facebook post. So in here, I'll type whatever caption I want. So, Lily is awesome. Cool. So then now this is what the Facebook posts look like. Now I want to do the Twitter post, so I click over here on Twitter, but since I've already written a caption in Facebook and I want it to be the same caption, I just go back and copy and paste it. And then same with Instagram. So the reason Instagram won't take this one is because the picture is way too big and that can't post on Instagram. So you have two options here. You can either just come back up to here, not here, to here and just unclick Instagram because you just won't post this picture on Instagram since it's too big. Or you can go to your picture and crop it, and you crop it by clicking, making it a square that would fit on Instagram, and then pressing Command K with your keyboard, and that will crop it into a square. But for now, I'm just going to not post that one on Instagram. So now Instagram is gone because I went up and unclicked Instagram on the select social channels section up here. I'll show you one more time. I just unclicked it like that and then continue. Okay, so then the next thing, so now we see what it looks like on Facebook. It looks great. And then we click over to Twitter. It looks good. So we move down and press continue. Here's where you choose your target audience and so your target audience. So you can go through and click age, whatever you want, gender, education, locations. I always do 4 locations. I do Edmonds, I do Shoreline, Washington, I do Linwood, and I do Mountain Lake Terrace. Awesome. And then, so yeah, you can do that, and then you can click interest. But the easier way to do this is come down here and click load audience. And I've already actually made saved audiences. So this one's for diastasis. This one is my general one, JH. So I just click that, click load, and then it loads it all up for me already so that I don't have to go read through and click them all. And then continue. And then your last option is these 4. So if you're publishing it today, right now, and you just want all these posts posted right now, you'd click publish now. Since this example was scheduling for a certain day, we'll press schedule because this is scheduling for Tuesday. And then, and then that's the last option. So I'll just click schedule. And then it will show you your post one more time. And it will say when it will be posted. And that is it.